Hello my friends, welcome back to today's tutorial on Python basics. In this video, we will be covering numerical values, strings, variables, assignments, and identifiers. Let's open Jupyter Notebook and learn this along the way. We can rename the file by clicking on the file name. Before going into details, let me explain you how to add titles, major headings, subheadings in the Jupyter Notebook. First, from drop-down menu, bring Markdown. Single hash is used for titles, double hash is used for major headings, and triple hash is used for subheadings, and 4 times hash is used for fourth level headings. First, let's talk about numerical values. Numerical values in Python can be integers or floating point numbers. An integer is a whole number without a decimal point, while a floating point number is a number with a decimal point. Here is an example of each. Numerical values are the basic building blocks of many programs. They can be whole numbers, decimal, or even complex numbers. Let's take a look at some more examples. Here we have assigned the value 5 to x, which is integer, 2.7 to y, which is float, and 3 plus 2i to z, which is complex number. 3 and 2 are real numbers, whereas I iota is an imaginary number, which makes this as a complex number. Strings are sequences of characters that are used to represent text in a program. They can be created using single or double quotes. Let's have a look at an example. Here we have assigned the string John to the variable name. Now, what are variables? Variables are used to store values in a program. They are named containers that can hold various data types. Let's have a look at an example. Here we have assigned the value 25 to the variable name age. And assignments. What are assignments? Assignments are used to give values to variables. Let's have a look at an example. Here we have assigned the value 5 to the variable x. And identifiers. What are identifiers? Identifiers are names given to variables, function, or objects in a program. They can be made up of letters, numbers, and underscore. Let's have a look of an example. Here we have assigned the string John to the variable first name. Sometimes we may need to convert between numeric values and strings. For example, we may need to convert a number to a string to print it out, or we may need to convert a string containing a number to a numeric value for calculations. To convert a numeric value to a string, we can use the string function. Let's look at an example. Here we have assigned the value 5 to the variable x and then use the string function to convert it to a string which we have assigned to the variable str_x. To convert a string containing a number to a numerical value, we can use the int or float functions depending on whether we want an integer or a float. Let's look at some examples. Here we have assigned the string 10 to the variable name str_num, and then the int and float functions will be used to convert it to an integer and a float, which will be assigned to the variables int_num and float_num respectively. Moreover, if you have number as string, you can combine it with the string and you can print it out. Whereas if numbers is integer or float, it will give the error. See the example where we try to print integer with the string and it gives the error unspotted operator type for plus. To find it out whether it is a string, integer, or float, you can simply write type within bracket the value, and then it will tell you either it is an integer, float, or it is a string. For the example, see on the screen. Yes, that's all for today's tutorial on numerical values, strings, variables, and assignments and identifiers in Python. I hope you found this helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on Python programming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in next video with the new tutorial. Till that time, take care of yourself and bye bye.